Hi, it's Grant at Grant Palmer Photography here with some more tips and tricks about photographing at Burning Man. And I want to talk about not photographing at Burning Man. It's very easy at Burning Man. Everything's amazing. Everything's out there. Everything's exciting. And I want to capture it. I want to capture it. I want to capture it. Spend some time without this. This can make you a slave to the camera. And it turns you from a participant into an observer. And part of Burning Man is being a participant, not being an observer. So spend some time without this, or maybe just leave it at camp and go for a wander. Go wander the back streets or go out into Deep Playa and just sit and watch the stars. Anyway, if you like what you see, put a comment down in the comments below. Ask me any questions there you like. You can also hit me up here or on the Instagram side at Grant Palmer Photography, and I will catch you all in the next one. Cheers.